The question comes up a lot about how many listings you should have in an Etsy shop in order to make sales. And I've heard people say there's a magic number. Once you get 100 listings, I don't know where that comes from, but they say once you get 100 listings, you'll start making sales immediately. That is so not true. And you can make sales if you have one listing or 10 listings or 1,000. It's more about the listings themselves and do people want to buy that thing and how are you marketing it. And there's a lot that goes into making a sale. And there's no real number on Etsy that's a magic number that's immediately going to have you start making sales. So don't worry about hitting a specific number, but when you are starting an Etsy shop or if you're a newer seller and you don't have, thousands of listings, I would suggest that just for the customer experience part of it, you have at least like anywhere between 20 and 36 in order to fill out that first page. So if someone does come to your shop's homepage, they'll see a substantial enough number of listings that it doesn't look empty. Because when you come to a shop's homepage and there's no profile picture and there's no information and there's only one little picture there, it looks very empty and it doesn't make people feel very comfortable buying. And that's what you really want to think about when you're a newer shop. So just make sure that that first page of your shop is as full as you can get it. And that way when people do come to your homepage, they'll see what looks like a full shop and they won't feel nervous about purchasing from you because you want to take that fear of purchasing away. That's the whole reason for that. But Etsy doesn't give shops with more listings more benefits. On Etsy, it's better to have a lot of listings just because it gives you more chances to be found in search. But that's just a math thing. The more listings you have, the more chances you have. But there's no magic number. So don't think that you have to have a certain number of listings in your shop before you will get sales because that's just not true. A lot of it depends on how much traffic you're sending. Are you sending traffic to listings that people want to buy? And once you start selling, Etsy will take those listings that are selling and show them higher in search, so that helps too. I did write an article about this. If you want to go read the blog, you can do that. I'll put the link in the description. But there is no magic number on Etsy, and a lot of it just depends on what you're selling and how you're marketing it. So give this video a thumbs up. I will talk to you later.